My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so it's been a while. I think it's been quite a minute since I did a sneaker review. I was actually gone for the last 3 weeks. I was on vacation. We're just gonna call it that. But 3 weeks, 3 continents was crazy. Week 1, I was in Asia, the Asia continent. I was in Japan. Week 2, I was back in North America. I went to New Jersey / New York. And week 3, which was last week, I was in the Europe continent. I was in Paris. So I just got home yesterday. I am maxed out. You can probably see that my eyes look super tired, but you know, gotta give y'all these bangers, these videos. Did any releases drop while I was gone the last 3 weeks? Pretty sure they did, but I don't think it was nothing that was worth anything. So, but this one right here, I know y'all want, so I definitely had to bring this for y'all. So, we're gonna go to the spot, do this review, come back, give y'all some information, and you know, so stay tuned. Be right back. All right, boom. We got this all black Jordan box, red Jumpman in the center. Nothing special. Let's turn this around. Let's get this less blurry. Air Jordan 5 Retro OG is an 8.5, so you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. You see the color, everything like that. Grape and all that white. All right, let's get these up out of here. Yeah, I've been waiting to get my hands on these for a second time because I did have the original pair. But not original pair, but you know what I mean. The pair that came out before this. So, all right, set these up. Boom. And without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 5 OG Grape. Boom. Okay, we got the Air Jordan 5 Grape. Sorry about my audio if it's a little bit muffled. My phone's kind of messing up. But all white upper. See the teal shark teeth right there with the purple midsole, black over top of that. Nike Air on the back and teal. See the I said Weber. See the clear netting on the side. White laces, lace lock right there. Tongue is purple with teal Jumpman. This is just a beautiful shoe. I fell in love with the shoe first time seeing it on Will Smith on Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. That was one of my favorite shows growing up. But I'm glad I'm gonna have this shoe once again. Like I wore my other pair to Beats, but now I definitely need a new pair. Translucent bottom on the under, Jumpman right there under. But yeah, beautiful shoe. White laces. I think I already said that. But all right, just want to give y'all a quick little look. Let's go back to the house so I can really give y'all some information about this release that's coming soon. Stay tuned. Here we go. Let's get to it. Whew. Okay, I'm back. Hope y'all enjoyed that review. Little first look at the Air Jordan 5 Grapes 2025 edition. Got some information off Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It's gonna be up. Y'all can read along with me. Hold on real quick. Let's get it up in 3, 2, 1. Should be up right now. All right, Air Jordan 5 Grape returns June 2025. The Air Jordan 5 Grape is set to return in 2025, featuring an improved build to closely resemble the original 1990 release. This iteration includes meticulous attention to detail, showing a more authentic and nostalgia experience for collectors and fans alike. The iconic Grape colorway gained fame when Michael Jordan donned them on a Wheaties box, further solidifying their place in sneaker history. Additionally, the Grape 5 The Grape Air Jordan 5 was popularized by Will Smith, who frequently wore them on the hit TV show The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, one of my favorite TV shows, making them a cultural phenomenon. The highly anticipated return of the Grape Air Jordan 5 features a classic blend of white, new emerald, grape ice, and black colors. This design showcases a white leather upper, complemented by black, new emerald, and grape accents, all resting on a translucent outsole. The shoe will include Nike Air back heel tabs, providing a nostalgia touch. Fans can look forward to the sneaker being housed in their original packaging, enhancing their vintage appeal. Alright, so Air Jordan 5 OG Grape will release on June 21st, that's this Saturday, 2025, at selected Jordan brand retailers, both in store and online, including Nike.com. Available in adult and kid sizes. The retail price for the adult pair will be $210. The Air Jordan 5 Grape is more than just a shoe, it's a piece of history that continues to inspire. With its return, the new generation will experience its timeless style. So mark your calendars and get ready to add this classic to collections. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the game, these Jordan 5s are a must-have. The release is sure to be one of the most talked about events in sneaker culture. Alright, my arm's getting tired. Yeah, 210, June 21st. I'm not going to read that. You can read that by yourself right there if you want to. Pause, do whatever you gotta do. It looks like a bunch of, there goes some ads, and here goes some pictures of it. Again, just in case you didn't see clearly what I was showing y'all early, but yeah, that's the inside, outside. Yeah, anyway, boom, tongue, inside, the Air Jordan upside down. All right, that's it. All right, so yeah, Air Jordan 5 Grape, OG Grape. This is a re-release. I had not the original pair, of course, that came out like what, 1990, but I did have the pair that came out years and years ago. I can't even remember what year, but this is my number 2 favorite Jordan colorway of all time. No, it's number 3. I'm sorry. It's my number 1 is the white cements. My number 2 is Chicago 10s, and number 3 is the Air Jordan 5 Grape. So love this colorway. Definitely going to be a cop for me. That's why I showed y'all a review of my size. So whenever I showed y'all a review of my size, not at the channel, that means I'm going to get it. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the Air Jordan 5 OG Grapes 2025 edition. Is this a copper drop for y'all? Y'all just going to pass on these? Do you think this is going to sit or is it going to sell? I think it's probably going to sit, to be honest with you. 5s aren't that popular. So we're going to see. I mean, the white cement 4s were sitting. Smaller sizes, but still, they were sitting. And then I just came from, like I said, I just came from out of the country. In Japan, the white cements 4, they had 4 size run. In Europe, 4 size run. So I don't really know if this shoe is going to sell out. You feel me? So, well, we will see. So anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. As always, from me, host Tuna, your favorite sneakerhead, represent Tunes Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.